Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add music thus to Instagram story. So if you see other people's Instagram story where they can add this animated music this to their Instagram story and you are wondering how they make that, you can just follow these steps right here that I'm going to show you through this video. Okay, so just let's start by opening the Instagram apps on your phone. And in here, you can just click on the plus icon to start opening the Instagram story camera. Let's click on this. And now you can choose the photo or maybe video for your Instagram story. So let's say I'm going to just add a background here. So I'm going to go to this create options, then I'm going to just change it here, and next you can click on this sticker icon at the top, and choose music. So here you can just add the music first for your story. You can add any music that you want. For example, I'm going to add this ones right here, and then to have that music this on the Instagram story, you can click on this, add these buttons in here on the music, and you'll see the music this. You can also add your avatar on it by clicking on this avatar at the top, and you'll see this dancing avatar. You can tap on that, and this is how the music this will look like on your Instagram stories. You can also adjust the size of the music this to how you like it, and also the position, just like this. I'm going to make it bigger and put it in the center, just like this. Here you can also adjust the position of your avatar. So this is the final look. Now you can just upload it to your story. So guys, that's all for me. That's how you can easily add music this to Instagram story. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like if you think this video will be helpful for you, and also leave a comment if you have any question, and don't forget to keep support our channel by clicking on this thanks button and also this subscribe button at the bottom. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.